how to hide the path in PowerShell or change it. First, you must create a profile. Let's copy this command. Right click on your mouse and then click enter. Now our profile has been created. Usually it is in Documents. And here you are. Just open it with Notepad or any text editor and copy this command to change the path to the symbol, or if you want to completely hide it, you can copy this command. Click File, Save, and now you must close PowerShell and run it as administrator. Now this red warning, that's because PowerShell doesn't or cannot read from files by default, so you must change that too. Let's copy this command and right click and then click enter. Now it asks us for which policy we want to change. We will change to this policy, so let's copy it and right click it. It asks us for confirmation, so just type yes. And here you are, it must work now. Now, of course, you can change it to whatever you like, to this symbol or to hide it completely, or even you can show only the name of the computer or the username. Just copy this command and paste it in the profile of PowerShell. Now, what if you want to change it back to default settings? Simply close PowerShell and go and remove the PowerShell files. Also run PowerShell as administrator and then copy this command. Right click computer and click enter and then copy this policy and once again click enter and then type yes. Enter. And now everything should work as usual. Here you are.